my name is Nicole Leatherman. I'm 14 years old and I currently dance at Absolute Dance Performing Arts Studio, and I do all different styles of dance, like contemporary and lyrical and ballet and jazz and hip hop and tap, all the normal dance styles. I'm an 8th grader currently at Orchard Mesa Middle School, and I'm on the honor roll, and I have to manage my time between dance and school because it's just a crazy mess sometimes. But I would love to have the experience and greatly appreciate the experience at your summer intensive, because I think I would grow as a dancer and a performer. This is the dance I choreographed and I hope you enjoy it.